Welcome to Tech Notice, guys. In this episode, you're going to share the experience with me, you and me together. We're going to open a G-Master lens. My first G-Master lens. I'm excited. I hope you are, because we're going to open this. Let's just open it. The unboxing experience. I know that there is probably unboxing videos of these on the internet, but I just want to share my experience because unboxing is always interesting, I think. Here it is, guys. Look at that. What is that? Now, the box is black. Not orange, but black. Oh my word. Oh, it's beautiful. This is more times that I've said beautiful to this lens to my wife today. That's how beautiful it is. Let's open it because, you know, what's inside. So first of all, usually Sony lenses are in an orange box, except the G-Master lenses. G-Master lenses apparently come in a black box because they're the Beastmeister lenses. Okay, inside we have all the literature that I'm just gonna leave in there. And then we have the lens. Wait a second, I'm just gonna, that's it. Just have a look at that. I'll just leave that there for you to look at. And the lens. It's like in a carrier bag, like that. Wow, this is definitely the most exciting lens unboxing I've ever done. So, inside here, you can open it like that. Wow, you have a strap. Then you have the lens. Wow, that is heavy. And that's it really, there's nothing else inside. Yeah, it's just got really thick bottom to protect it. Let's have a look at this, shall we? Wow, guys. Now that feels like something else. Ooh. As you can see, it is whitish. Well, compared to my table here, as you can see, it's a bit yellow. Then you've got the lens hood. Obviously it's a special lens hood because, I'll show you why. Because the lens hood obviously is white, but it also has this like flap that you can undo, and then you can adjust your filters. Let's say if you've got an ND filter on, you can't like put your finger inside there to adjust it. You just flick the flap and boom, adjust your ND. Okay, let's have a look at the lens. Wow, it's proper heavy. Well, I've seen it in the shop and I've tried it, but I've never actually like had a chance to properly look at the G. Ooh, that golden G. Wow, that is pretty mint. Wow, and it also has 3 custom buttons. So there's 3 custom buttons on the top. Not sure if these are all separate or they might be the same, because sometimes you're holding the camera like this, sometimes like this, sometimes the other way, so you would have it in all under the fingers. I want to see the glass. Oh! Wow, how much gorgeous glass is there. I want to put it on the camera. A bit of an overkill, but here's a 6500. Let's mount it on. Wow. On the side also there is some functions, so like AF to MF switch. Then you've got the AF distance switch between the full distance or the 3 meters to infinity. Then steady shot on or off. And then you've got also mode 1 or 2. This is the steady shot modes, I guess. This is the lens. And if you do want to check it out, you can find the link in the description. But this is flipping awesome. I hope you enjoyed this G-Master lens unboxing and my experience. Wow, I like it. Thanks guys for watching this episode of Tech Notice. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, please leave a like on the video. And hey, if you're new here, consider subscribing because video and content like this is coming out every single week. No further ado, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you next week. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.